Stef le chef. Today I'm gonna cook a gratin dauphinois, also known as dauphinois potatoes. This dish is very close to my heart as it is originated from my neck of the wood in France in the Savoie Dauphiné region. Today I'm gonna make it to accompany my bœuf bourguignon. It goes very well with that, or even stew. But the day after is even better, served with a little green salad with sautéed lardon and walnuts. Superb! So I'm gonna show you today how I make it. So to make gratin dauphinois, what do we need? We need potatoes, obviously, those ones are Maris pipers, which have been peeled and ready to be sliced. The second most important ingredient in this dish is cheese. Today I'm using Gruyère from Switzerland. Also Comté is good, and the best that you can use is a cheese called Beaufort. I've got some nutmeg, some garlic, salt, pepper and double cream. So for this dish, the idea is to get the potato as thin as you can. To do so, I've got this apparel which produce something like this, and you can see they're very thin. Mandolin, or if you have a mandolin, beautiful, but the thinner the better. And here comes the last one. I forgot to mention, careful with your little finger. Next, we need to preheat the oven fan at 180. That will go in there for an hour. So, what we do in my region is we take a head of garlic, half it, and just rub the dish that you're gonna make the gratin in. Just rub. On the side, on the bottom, that's all you need, that's all the garlic you need for that. And this, discard. So now for the assembling of the dish, what I like to do is to season my every layer, and if you got time, make it nice pattern. So one layer, a little salt, a little black pepper, and some grated nutmeg. Now I like to grate mine over it, so you can use already grated nutmeg, and so on and so on. So the gratin has been assembled, every layer has been seasoned with salt, pepper and nutmeg, and all I'm doing now is just adding the cream on top. There you go, a little tap. So the cream should be about 3/4 of the potato. Once that's done, in the oven for 45 minutes. So the gratin has been in the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes, 180 time. Oh. Beautiful. Now you just, that's cooked, and you sprinkle your cheese on top. Now you can, I forgot to say that earlier, but you can by all means use cheddar, that will do nicely, but with Gruyère or Comté or Beaufort, it give it the best result. There you go, in the oven for another 15 minutes, and that is it. Gratin ready to come out of the oven. There you have it, gratin dauphinois. Et voilà, gratin dauphinois. Now if you like this recipe, please like and subscribe, that'll be ace, and thank you for watching. À bientôt!